Do you remember when we started this journey?
I do.
This has been an amazing transformation. I don't think there's a single hinge in this entire place that hasn't been remodeled.
Right. From the marble floors to the gold fixtures, I mean, everything is stunning.
It is stunning. Stunning is a great word for this. Why don't we go take a look?
So I don't know about you, but I think stunning is a great word to describe this property.
It certainly is. If you'd like to see this condo or any other condo here at Optima Camelview, we would certainly love to be the ones to show you. Give us a call.